Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you this easy one stroke rose nail design. Even if you are a beginner, you can very easily do this nail art. So let's get started. So the first step will be to load your brush in red and black color. Here I am using gel paints, but if you don't use gel paints, you can use acrylic colors as well. And once your brush is fully loaded, start making the petals. Start by making the outer petal, let it dry or cure it, and then again go over it. Once you are happy, you can make the inner petal. I'm making 2 roses in this nail, so I'm making small flower, but with the same technique you can make even the bigger roses. You can closely observe how I'm making each stroke. The video speed is low so that you can easily see what's going on there. And don't forget to cure after each stroke, or if you're using acrylic paint, then don't forget to let it dry and then go over it. You can make it as pigmented as you like. And I forgot to mention in the starting, this brush I'm using is a slanting brush and I believe it's size 2. I will link the store from where I bought this brush in the description box so you can check, and also all the gel paints I'm using, the link of these gel paints will be in the description box, so please check it after you watch the video. So after finishing my first rose, I'm making the second one, which is even smaller. So I just made one layer of petals and this is done. Here I'm painting some leaves with a fine gel brush, and also I will add some details to make this design look even prettier. And once I'm done, I'm going to top coat it with a gel top coat. And the gel top coat I used here is from Born Pretty store. It's a no wipe gel top coat and gives a very beautiful glossy finish, as you can see here. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I will be back soon with new tutorials. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to check the description box below. Bye.